This is the solution to the Java MOOC course, Java Programming First Part, Part 6, Programming Exercise 6.5, named Santa's Workshop. The programming exercise asks us that we'll practice wrapping gifts in this exercise. Let's create the classes gift and package. We have to create two classes, gift and package. The gift has a name and a weight, and the package contains gifts. Okay, so Part 1, gift class. Create a gift class where the objects instantiated from it represent different kinds of gifts. The information that's recorded is the name and weight of the item. So name and weight are instance variables for gift class. And we also need to add the following methods to the class. Okay, constructor for which name and weight of the gift are given as parameters. Okay, method public string get name, which returns the name of the gift. Public int get weight, which returns the weight of the gift. Public string to string, which returns a string in the form of name weight kz. So our output will be gift plus book. What it gives us Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone and a bracket with 2 kz. Okay, let's do that. First of all, let's create our Java class, and what is it? It's called gift class. So let's create the class gift. Okay, it has two instance variables, name and private int weight, right? And a constructor that this dot name is equals to something and this dot weight is equals to something, and it takes two parameters. The parameters are string name and then int weight. Okay, so our name is now name and our weight is our weight. Okay, so we have constructor defined. Now public void get name, string get name. Let's see, public string get name, int get weight, string to string int get weight, public int get weight, right? And also we have a method public string to string method. Okay, so this simply return this dot name, return this dot weight in a string. We have to print return gift gift, right? Gift plus book, so that gives us gift. Oh no, so book simply will print Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stones and 2 kg. So that's the is this dot get name plus, and there's a space, I suppose, space and a bracket. This dot get weight, right? Let's close that. Plus this dot get weight plus this is what it is, I suppose. Okay, space bracket kg. Okay, so this space kg, and is there something else? No, I think that's it. So let's see, what do we have in our test code? And oh, this is a method call. Sorry, my bad here. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have this here, so we can delete that, and we can delete that and delete that. So this pretty much should work. So let's run this code. Gifts name Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Gifts weight 2. Gift Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone space a bracket 2 space kg. Okay, this is the required one. Now let's move on to part 2. Package class. Create a package class to which gifts can be added and that keeps track of the total weights of the gifts in the package. The class should contain a parameterless constructor. Method public void add gift which adds the gift passed as a parameter to the package. The method returns no value. Method public int total weight which returns the total weight of the package. Says gifts. Okay, it is recommended to store the items in add a list object, right? An example use case is as follows. So yeah, this is given. So first of all, what we have to do is gifts can be added and that keeps track of the total weights of the gifts in the package. Okay, for that let's create a new class and name it package, right? Package class, yes, package class. And let's give a private array list of type gift, right? And let's name it packages. What is the name given here? Let's see. The name given is gifts. Okay, so let's also name it gifts. Okay, and then we have to import the array list, right? And then a constructor, parameter less constructor. So ckag package. This just this dot gifts is equals to new array list, and that's it. After that we need to have a method public void add gift, so we're going to create that. Public void add gift, right? This takes gift and let's name it gift. Okay, all we have to do is simply gifts dot add. We have to add gift. That's done. This returns nothing, right? And method public int total weight which returns the total weight of the packages gifts. Okay, so a public int total weight. So let's do that as well. Public int total weight, return weight. And so what's this weight? Int weight is equals to 0. Okay, so how are we going to get this weight value? For that, what we can do is okay, since this is the basic layout, let me remove this. Okay, first of all, for every gift in gifts, right, what we have is every gift has a weight, and that is returned to us by this get weight. So we can do int weight is equals to 0, and then weight is equals to weight plus gift dot weight, sorry, get weight. Okay, and we simply have to return weight. Is that it? Let's see if we also there is this gives the total weight, so this is a variable that we should define, right? So in order to do that, what we can have is in our package we have package gifts, the add gift, and gifts the total weight. So total weight is a method that returns us the value, right? So, and we have already assigned that value to this variable weight, and we're returning the weight, so it should work. Let's try and copy the code for the test. The Java, simply press that, and let's try and run this. Let's see what do we get. Okay, it simply returns 2, and that should be the output. Okay, let's try and submit it to the server. And as you can see, all tests have passed on the server. Thank you for watching. If there are any questions, you can ask me down in the comment section. I'll see you guys on the solution of the next video.